Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the fabulous beach fashion choices of the stunning Dharsha Gupta. Let's get started. The beauty often opts for classic monochrome bikinis which exude sophistication. Black and white bikinis are timeless and flattering, enhancing her natural beauty. She pairs these with minimal accessories, letting the simplicity and elegance of the bikini shine through. Tropical florals to geometric designs, her choices reflect a fun and playful side. These bikinis often feature bright colors like coral, turquoise, and yellow, perfect for a beach or poolside setting. The bold patterns complement her vivacious personality and bring a lively element to her beachwear. High-waisted bikinis are another staple in her bikini wardrobe. These styles are not only trendy but also provide a retro chic vibe. High-waisted bottoms paired with a bandeau or halter top accentuate her curves while offering a comfortable and stylish option. For a more daring look, Dharsha often chooses bikinis with cutout and strappy designs. These styles add an edgy and modern twist to her beachwear, showcasing her bold fashion sense. The strategic cutouts and intricate straps highlight her toned physique and add a touch of glamour. She also embraces sporty bikini styles, which are both functional and fashionable. These bikinis often feature supportive tops and comfortable bottoms, perfect for active beach days involving sports or swimming. Sporty bikinis in bright colors and sleek designs allow her to stay stylish while being practical. Incorporating sheer and mesh panels into her bikinis, the beauty adds an element of intrigue and allure. These bikinis often feature mesh detailing around the waist or as inserts in the top, providing a peek-a-boo effect that is both seductive and tasteful. The actress enhances her bikini looks with chic accessories. Wide-brimmed hats, oversized sunglasses, and statement jewelry like chunky bracelets or delicate anklets elevate her beach style. These accessories not only protect her from the sun but also add a touch of luxury to her overall appearance. To complete her beach ensemble, Dharsha often pairs her bikinis with stylish cover-ups and sarongs. Lightweight kimonos, lace cover-ups, and colorful sarongs provide a versatile option to transition from beach to beachside cafe effortlessly. These pieces add an extra layer of style and sophistication to her look. Dharsha often gravitates towards monochrome bikinis, particularly in black and white. These colors are timeless and versatile, offering a chic and sophisticated look. A black bikini can be both slimming and striking, while white exudes purity and freshness, perfect for a sunny beach day. She typically pairs these bikinis with minimal accessories, allowing the simplicity and elegance of the bikini to be the focal point. A sleek, monochrome bikini is often complemented by subtle jewelry like a delicate necklace or stud earrings. The actress loves vibrant prints, especially tropical floral patterns. These bikinis are ideal for a beach setting, reflecting the vibrant colors of the surroundings and adding a fun, lively element to her look. Geometric patterns are another favorite, adding a modern twist to her bikini collection. These designs can range from bold stripes to intricate shapes, providing a contemporary and eye-catching aesthetic. High-waisted bikinis are a significant part of her beachwear. These bikinis offer a retro chic vibe, reminiscent of the glamorous beach looks of the 1950s and 60s. They are not only stylish but also flattering, accentuating her waist and providing a comfortable fit. She often mixes and matches high-waisted bottoms with different tops, such as bandeaus, halters, or triangle tops, creating versatile and personalized looks. For a more daring look, the beauty chooses bikinis with cutout designs and intricate straps. These styles highlight her toned physique and add a touch of edginess to her beachwear. Cutout bikinis feature strategically placed cutouts around the waist, bust, or sides, adding a seductive yet tasteful element to her look. The beauty embraces sporty bikini styles for active beach days. These bikinis provide the support needed for swimming, beach volleyball, or other activities, while still being stylish. Sporty bikinis often come in bright colors and sleek, streamlined designs, combining functionality with a trendy appearance. Incorporating sheer and mesh panels into her bikinis, the beauty adds an element of intrigue and allure. These details provide a peek-a-boo effect, enhancing the bikini's overall aesthetic. Mesh panels can be found in various parts of the bikini, such as around the waist or in the top, adding a subtle yet seductive touch. Dharsha enhances her beach looks with chic accessories. A wide-brimmed hat not only protects her from the sun but also adds a touch of glamour. Oversized sunglasses are both practical and stylish, completing her beach ensemble. Chunky bracelets, delicate anklets, and stylish earrings can often be seen adorning her, adding an extra layer of sophistication and elegance. To transition seamlessly from the beach to other activities, the actress pairs her bikinis with stylish cover-ups. Lightweight kimonos, lace cover-ups, and colorful sarongs are some of her go-to choices. These cover-ups not only provide coverage but also enhance her overall beach look, adding a touch of elegance and versatility. The actress occasionally opts for metallic and shimmer bikinis, which add a touch of glamour and sophistication to her beachwear. These bikinis, with their reflective properties, catch the sunlight beautifully, making her stand out. Metallic bikinis can come in various shades, including gold, silver, bronze, and even metallic blues or pinks. They often feature simple cuts to allow the shimmer to be the focal point, but can also include additional elements like cutouts or strappy designs for added flair. Ruffles and frills add a playful and feminine touch to her bikini choices. These embellishments can be found on bikini tops, bottoms, or both, creating a whimsical and romantic look. Ruffled bikinis might feature frills along the neckline, shoulder straps, or the edges of the bikini bottoms. They can also be part of bandeau tops or triangle bikinis, adding texture and volume to the outfit. Animal print bikinis are a bold choice that showcase Dharsha's adventurous fashion sense. Leopard, zebra, and snake prints are popular options that add a wild and exotic flair to her beachwear. She might pair an animal print top with a solid color bottom, or vice versa, to balance the boldness of the print and create a cohesive look. One-shoulder bikinis offer an asymmetrical design that is both stylish and elegant. This design is perfect for creating a unique and sophisticated beach look, drawing attention to the neckline and shoulders. These bikinis come in various colors and patterns, from solid hues to prints, often with additional details like ruffles or cutouts to enhance the asymmetrical design. Embracing a bohemian aesthetic, tie-dye bikinis are a vibrant and trendy choice. The psychedelic patterns and bright colors of tie-dye bring a fun and relaxed vibe to her beachwear. Tie-dye bikinis can also be a fun DIY project, allowing for personalized color schemes and patterns that reflect her unique style. High-neck bikinis offer a more modest yet incredibly stylish option. They provide more coverage around the chest while still being trendy, making them suitable for various beach activities. These bikinis often feature interesting design elements such as mesh panels, cutouts, or intricate patterns around the neckline, adding to their appeal. Off-shoulder bikinis are flirty and feminine, exposing the shoulders for a touch of sensuality. This style is perfect for lounging by the beach or pool, offering a relaxed yet chic look. Off-shoulder bikinis can include ruffles, lace, or simple, sleek designs, providing versatility in styling options. Monokinis, which are a stylish blend of a one-piece and a bikini, provide a sophisticated and edgy look. They often feature strategic cutouts and unique designs that highlight the waist and curves. Monokinis can vary from minimalistic designs with clean lines to more elaborate styles with cutouts, mesh panels, and intricate patterns. The actress is also known for her eco-conscious fashion choices, often opting for bikinis made from sustainable materials such as recycled nylon or organic cotton. These choices reflect her commitment to environmental sustainability. She supports brands that prioritize eco-friendly practices, choosing bikinis that are not only stylish but also environmentally responsible. The actress enjoys mixing and matching bikini tops and bottoms to create unique and personalized looks. This approach allows for endless combinations and keeps her beachwear fresh and exciting. While mixing and matching, she often coordinates colors and patterns to ensure a harmonious look, balancing bold prints with solid colors or complementary patterns. Some of her bikinis feature intricate embroidery or beading, adding an artistic and luxurious touch. These details can transform a simple bikini into a statement piece. Handcrafted embroidery and beading showcase fine craftsmanship and attention to detail, making these bikinis special and unique. Her beach bikini fashion is a testament to her dynamic and versatile style. From classic monochromes and vibrant prints to sustainable choices and intricate details, her bikini collection is diverse and stylish. By mixing bold and subtle elements, she creates looks that are both timeless and trendy, reflecting her confident personality and keen fashion sense. Whether lounging by the pool or enjoying a day at the beach, her bikini choices ensure she always stands out with elegance and flair. There you have it, Dharsha Gupta's beach bikini fashion choices are all about confidence, style, and fun. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.